Some people hear it instantly. Others never hear it at all. It has nothing to do with your age, hearing damage, or luck. It has everything to do with awareness. If you've been hearing tones or sudden frequencies in your ear, or having moments of deep inner quiet lately, this video is not about making you feel special. It's all about why experiences are different right now, because everyone is not tuned in the same layer of reality. Dolores Cannon talked about this in her work. She explained, as consciousness shifts, people don't perceive reality the same anymore. And the reason why this happens is because awareness develops at different speeds. Some people sense changes internally, while others focus only on the external